Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by restarting your PC and VR headset to clear temporary issues. Check that your internet connection is stable and running at normal speed. Confirm your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version from the manufacturer. Free at least 2 GB of disk space and close unnecessary background programs. Temporarily disable overlays like Steam or Discord to avoid conflicts. Make sure Windows updates are installed and your account has admin rights. These initial steps resolve many application error causes quickly. Open File Explorer and navigate to App Data to remove the Vrchat cache folder. Delete that cache, which typically frees roughly 150 MB of temporary data. Then open Steam or the Oculus app and use the Verify or Repair tool to check game files. Repairing files replaces corrupted or missing components automatically. After verification, right-click the Vrchat executable and choose Run as administrator. Launch the application and observe whether the error persists. These steps rebuild essential files and clear corrupted cache items. If the error started after a driver update, roll back or reinstall GPU drivers. Use the manufacturer's Clean Install option to remove old driver remnants. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall to test for permission conflicts with Vrchat. If the application works with security off, add Vrchat to your antivirus exceptions list. As a last resort, uninstall Vrchat completely and reinstall from Steam or Oculus. Reinstalling ensures fresh, uncorrupted files and proper registry entries. After reinstall, sign in and verify the application error is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.